So today is day 3 of my client acquisition sprint, and I'm already behind. But that is okay. I just should have allotted more time to update my website and case studies. I probably needed 3 full days. I'll finish by the end of the day today. But yeah, so I wanted to kind of walk you through how I'm updating them for today's update. Yeah. Okay, so my services are still the same. I'll go down and I'll kind of show you what they look like right now. So end-to-end digital design solutions. Right now, they're grouped as kind of individual. It's kind of overwhelming. I don't have a call to action. Like, hey, check this out. Like my UX audits have been hidden under here, oh, learn more. And then it will take me to see even that. So it's not a great user experience. That's kind of the rap that user experience designers get. They're great at everybody else's, but not great at getting their thing set up. So, yeah, so I wanted to take this and showcase and how clients can see our relationship evolve from solving immediate problems to building longer strategic relationships. So there's kind of like the phases of the design process. I kind of mapped it out too. So here's my sketches. So there's the discover phase, research and strategy to understand your business. Then there's the design phase, where we're doing the visual part of it, the information architecture, all of that stuff. And then working on then the deliver. Like that would be where I would do no code if you didn't have a designer or a developer on your end and you wanted me to do it and it was simple enough. I would use resources like Framer or Webflow, or if it was a web or mobile app, it would be Bubble. And then the final category is grow, so how I can extend and grow with you in your business there. So that's what I did yesterday. I kind of mapped it out. I outlined everything. So there's 2 tiers within each phase, I would call it. There's the discover, there's the essential, which is just like kind of bare minimum, the comprehensive tier within that. And then in the design area, I've broken it down to based off of the project complexity, because everything would include everything in the design, information architecture, site maps, wireframes, prototypes, everything in the package would be the same. It just would based off of the complexity of the project, so the essential thing would be straightforward designs. So that would be simple websites or web apps, mobile apps, that may only have a few pages. Maybe it's, your author who's wanting to showcase their products, something like that. And then the comprehensive design would be for more enterprise work, like maybe you have an e-commerce site, a little more complexity where you have different integrations to other services or anything like that. So that would be the comprehensive design. And then same thing with the deliver. It's based off of the complexity of the project. And then grow. So I kind of have more of the 2 tiers within the grow. One is basically more of the tactical. You don't have that, or maybe you want someone be writing blog posts for you, more content, that type of continual service. So that would be the essential tier. And then in comprehensive, that's where I would be kind of your fractional CMO and strategic design partner. Because one thing that I do believe is, your website is part, or app or product is part of the larger system. And so I would be more integrated with your team. So that is the comprehensive part of that. And then you can, pick or match, like I have journey packages, but right now it's kind of complex and I need to figure out how I can simplify this for the user and how I can set that design part up. So that's what I'm going to be working on today. So I'm not really changing what I do, but I'm just trying to communicate the value more clearly. So it's just taking time. And so once I get that done and updated, I will move on to my case studies. Yeah, so thank you for coming along on the journey.